only one of these light switches controls this incandescent light bulb. But with this cover on, you can't tell which one that is. You need to determine which light switch controls the light, and you can adjust the light switches however you want, but the catch is you can only lift the cover up to check on the light bulb once. So how would you flip these switches such that you'd guarantee you'll know which one that is? In case it isn't clear, the example I showed where I randomly flicked them and left one on wouldn't be a solution, because if I go to check on the light bulb and it's off, then I wouldn't know which of the other two light switches controls the light. Sure, I could have gotten lucky and it was on, but you need to guarantee that you'll know with just one check. Anyway, pause now if you need more time to think before I reveal the answer. It turns out the key to this brain teaser is the light bulb, which I mentioned was incandescent. Incandescent light bulbs work by passing current through a filament inside, which heats up the filament until it's glowing. As you might expect, this produces a lot of heat, and that's why these light bulbs are so inefficient that they've been banned in a lot of countries. So for the solution, you turn on one light switch and leave it on for a little while, let's say 5 minutes, and then once that timer's up, you turn it off and flip another one on. Now you'd immediately check on the light bulb. If the light is on, you know the second light that you just switched up controls it. If it's off but still warm, then you know the first light switch that you left on for 5 minutes is the one that controls it. And if it's off and cold, you'd know it's the third light switch that you didn't touch. That's the answer to the riddle, but which light switch actually controlled it? Well, none of them. I didn't actually wire this setup, which means I was technically lying when I said